you guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel, and in this episode I want to share with you easy healthy recipe back to school or work. So easy to make. You can prep this meal a day before and then get up in the morning, just grab and go. So let's get started. First off, I'm gonna start with my favorite kind of wraps. And I'm using this kind of wraps from the Trader Joe's, and we're gonna use a veganese as a base. So just spread it around just like that. Then we're gonna add greens. I'm using a mixed salad, spring mixed salad, and then I'm using my favorite cheese. So you can use your favorite cheese, avocado, tomato. You can use cucumbers as well. Then I'm gonna use 2 slices of turkey. Use whatever protein you like, lamb, beef, whatever works for you. Now we're gonna roll this up and eat. Look how simple, easy, fast, and trust me on that, it's delicious. Salad in a jar, so easy to do. All you need is your favorite dressing, your favorite greens, and your favorite salad topping. So we're gonna begin with a salad dressing, and you wanna put this in the bottom of the jar. So I'm gonna begin with the greens. Just stick it in the jar, like full of the jar, and then slice bell pepper, stick it there. Then I'm using tomato, and you can use cucumbers. I love cucumbers, but I don't have in my fridge today. Sliced avocado, and I'm using my favorite cheese. For protein, you can use anything you love, chicken, beef, whatever you love. When your salad is loaded up, top it up with the lid, stick it in the refrigerator, and then next day you can shake it and use good to go. I hope you learned some amazing new lunch ideas that you can take to work or school, wherever you go. And if you guys love this video, let me know and I'll make more of videos like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!